Canada, $250 GST relief payment is coming in June 2025. Eligibility and dates are here. In June 2025, millions of Canadian breaths would do temporary hold as the government releases a one-time payment of $250 as GST relief payments. The payment forms part of the wider efforts by the Canadian government to finance the bigger portions of rising living costs among lower and middle income households. Canada's $250 GST relief payment is coming. This is a one-time only special supplement to the normal goods and service tax, harmonized sales tax, GST, HST credit, or $250 GST relief payment, tax-free and designed to raise support among the Canadian population at the holiday time when costs often soar. This is the additional supplement to the quarterly reception of the GST credit. The Canadian government has already given a gift to Canadians in the form of a $250 working Canadian rebate and the GST holiday. 18.7 million Canadian households in need who have been paying taxes to the government for the past year will get this $250 GST relief payment. The Canadian government is attempting to help those who are most impacted by inflation and rising living costs by offering the GST relief payment. The $250 GST relief payment is a one-time financial assistance program intended to assist Canadian low-income families. The Canadian government is providing this assistance payment to help families with necessities and to relieve some of their financial stress. Canada, $250 GST relief eligibility. All the candidates need to have paid their prior year's taxes and have unambiguous income tax records. For the CRA, these benefits are only provided to persons who are not retired and are still employed. The candidate must possess a valid Canadian visa, be a permanent resident, or be a citizen. Be ordinarily resident in Canada. For income tax, applicants cannot be retirees. They must be employed at the time of application. Senior individuals who qualify for payments under the Canada Pension Plan and the Quebec Pension Plan will get them. Canadian must have submitted tax returns for 2025 as well as prior years. The tax return filed by CRA is the last one. This means that you need to complete your income tax return. To get any credit, eligibility, and payment amount, a person should make less than $150,000 a year. Canada $250 GST relief payment dates. The payments might appear at the beginning of 2025, maybe around the spring season. The precise date may change based on each person's situation and how tax returns are processed. Payments will be sent by mail or direct deposit based on the recipient's preferences, as specified by the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA. If you are qualified and your payments are delayed, get help from the CRA by contacting them via their appropriate procedures.